didn't take a video. But that one is $40. So everything is $40 and I'm betting 10 cents. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's already $40 times 6. Nice, right? And all I need is another 3 to open that another $40. And I have last spin. So hopefully anything. Come on, anything. Anything. Ah, that's it. But I'm happy with that. That's a big win. I think that's what? Maybe 300.